Let's talk about the top 3 MLS rule violations and how you can avoid them. Number 1, reporting of sales under Rule 10.2. All sales must be reported to the MLS within 3 calendar days after the sale closes. Timely reporting ensures accurate market data for everyone. Number 2, public remarks, restrictions, and requirements. Keep remarks professional and property-related only. No agent contact information, branding, showing instructions, or promotion of services in this section. And number 3, virtual tours. Links must lead directly to property information only. No branding, logos, or external advertising are allowed. Following these rules helps protect data integrity, professionalism, and trust in our MLS. Let's work together to keep our marketplace strong and reliable. Let's talk about the number 1 most violated MLS rule. Reporting of sales. MLS Rule 10.2 requires that you update your listing status, whether it's pending, sold, or closed, within 3 calendar days of the status change. Why does this matter? Timely updates keep our MLS data accurate, protect cooperation among agents, and ensure clients have the most up-to-date market information. Stay compliant, stay professional, and help keep our MLS reliable for everyone. Let's review the second most MLS rule violation: public remarks, restrictions, and requirements. Public remarks are for describing the property, not for marketing instructions or promotions. You cannot include showing instructions, contact details, or agent-directed messages in the public remarks. The only exception, concession information, but only under specific MLS rules. Stay compliant by keeping your remarks professional and property-focused, and help maintain the integrity of our MLS data. The third most common MLS rule violation: virtual tours. MLS rules prohibit branded media, including virtual tours with agent logos, contact info, or company names, from appearing anywhere except the designated branded tour section of your listing. Keeping your unbranded tour in the correct field ensures fair marketing and a consistent experience for everyone using the MLS. Follow this simple rule to stay compliant and keep our MLS professional, accurate, and fair. MLS rule: concession information in public remarks. When it comes to concessions, accuracy and compliance matter. You may include seller credits, incentives, or concessions in the public or confidential remarks only if they meet these requirements. Clearly state the intended use of the concession. Do not include a dollar amount or percentage. Never offer concessions to cover buyer-broker compensation. Ensure all remarks follow MLS rules and are professional. For details, simply say, "For additional information, contact agent." And remember, no concessions or compensation details should ever appear in remarks. Follow these simple guidelines to stay compliant and keep our MLS data accurate and fair for everyone.